Hello everybody, this is Don with Double D's Auto Repair. We're here with Derek, the other D. We're once again going to do some more upgrades to his 2003 Ford F350 Powerstroke 6.0. Last time we put the 5-inch exhaust, and this time we're going to put the cold air intake on. Derek's going to be doing the work and I'm going to be doing the filming. So here's the stock setup. Big, bulky, you know, gross. And here is the new fancy shiny blue one. All right, let's see what it takes.
First thing you want to have 5/16 nut driver. Remove the stock stuff. It's always handy to have a nice hose clamp remover. This happens to be a snap-on or a blue point. You don't have to go to Harbor Freight, use a cheapie. And nevertheless, tool magnet.
Very important.
Yes. Common to drop things in the engine, very easy to get them out, so always have that on standby. And so here we're going to rip this out of here. First I'm going to take the map sensor off of here, just like that. I'm going to drape that down in there. You're going to want to take your degas hoses off there, make this easier getting this out of here. It's a nice handy tool here to have, kind of gets in there.
Pay attention to what he's doing here. Try to get in the video why it's very nice to actually have one of these once you can get the head in there.
And if you really wanted to, you can lock it into place. It'll stay.
Seriously, one of the best investments you could possibly make if you do deal with those clamps enough.
I'm just going to put that out of the way. Take a 5/16. And you also have this canister gauge here. You want to take that out of there. I'm just going to set that aside for right now.
So that would go right there in the back of the stock box.
So here we're going to take off one of the clamps. Pretty much should just pop right out of here. Just like so. And then you got the
Biggest spot.
There we go.
Voila!
That's it.
Heavy.
Done deal.
It was out of the way. All right, well, we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup. No need to show you that. And when we come back, we'll be installing the fancy new kick. We got the rest of the system taken apart. There's the big noisy thing right there that we love so much.
One thing we had an issue a little bit with is getting this bracket here. It's not real big of a deal. It's just reaching around. There's 2 bolts here that mount to the thickened bracket. And this kit that we had bought for this, it comes with a new elbow going into the valve cover. Cleans things up a little bit, gets rid of the U-shaped stock one that they have, goofball looking thing here.
Yeah.
And then you got a new hose for that here that'll clip on. So
side note, we did have to cut that down because depending on your setup and what fitting you need to use on the valve cover, it comes in a standard length and you have to cut it down. We did have to cut it down for this setup.
So what we're going to do is we're going to stick the coupler here on the turbo. And it should just pop right on. Get that into place there. And then you got your band clamps or hose clamps, whatever you want to call them. You get 2 of them in the kit. You need 2 of them at this installment here. One for the turbo side, one for the intake tube side. As you can see, struggling a little. Got a little bit of wire in the way down here. You just gotta get past a little bit. I might have to pull this off and get the band clamp started on both of them already. Might just be easier. There we go. And then we'll pop her on, just like so. Get them set into a good position for when you do go to tighten it up, that you have access if you ever have to take it back off again. Make it easy on yourself. So we got those on. We're going to take this, and what we need to do, and we're going to pause for a minute, but we need to put the map sensor back on there and they provide you new screws, so we just gotta slap this on here real quick. We'll be right back.
We are back. We got the airflow sensor in. We had to do a little bit of cleanup in the hole for it, but you know, not a little Dremel can't fix. And here we go.
What we're gonna go ahead and install first here is this breather tube on the valve cover. Make our life a little easier in the install. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and flip this in, trying to get it in this coupler up front there for the turbo. Got it in, you can hear it pop in. And then we got our bracket kind of in there already, kind of similar to where we need to get her. Looks like it's gonna fit right here. About right there. So then, now that we got that on, we want to make sure that
The breather tube.
our breather tube gets put on there as well. And she's on.
See that there? Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and put this bolt in. Get that backed up. The fucking nut fell off.
This is why it's handy to have the magnet tool, because once again, we drop stuff. Didn't need it this time, but
There we go.
and yes, just to be a side note, you will hear cussing from time to time on our YouTube channel videos. We are, you know, all adults here.
Yep, so we're gonna go ahead and take our 5/16 nut driver here. We got our clamps lined back up where we need them to be so they get a good securement. And I think we have to Alright, now we're going to tighten them up. Again on the turbo. Make sure they're snug and good to go. Seems to be tight. Double check your vent tube, good and to go on that one. And now we can check fitment for our air Again, you're going to want to take your 5/16 wrench, nut driver, or whatever you may have, loosen that up just a little bit. Go ahead and stick that down in here. And over top the tube, like so. Run. Double check that. Yeah, it's good. Go ahead and tighten the air filter on. Left with is tightening this bracket up and then plugging in our mass air sensor here in its new spot.
Yeah, if you'll notice on the new setup, the mass airflow sensor is mounted from the bottom, where the factory one is mounted from the top. It's just manufacturer preference. On my truck, mine's mounted on the top. This one is on the bottom. It doesn't really make a difference.
And then from here we can go ahead and reconnect our degas lines here. We're gonna go ahead and refer to our handy dandy hose clamp tool here. Make sure we get it on there. That on there, boom. And we are installed. And you can catch us on a future video coming up. We're gonna do a blue spring mod on the same truck. We're gonna go ahead and take care, get rid of this housing, new housing, blue spring. So we'll be catching you on the future on that one.
Also, we'll show you how to do fuel filters while we're at it too, because at that point you might as well just do them. It's good insurance. So.
All right, we'll catch you guys later.